So here is a little mini flower farm patch update. The gomphrena is doing really well. I've been harvesting some regularly. There are some aphids on some of the stems, but that's not a huge deal. And the celosia is picking up, as well as the straw flower, which I'm glad for. I think all of these flowers just really needed some heat to really get going. But the straw flower is really starting to get tall and is picking up, so I'm really happy to see that. Unfortunately, I might have some bad news. I don't know how profitable this dried flower business is going to be because the other day I was at a grocery store where I saw some of these dried flower bouquets being sold, and they were originally around $14 to $16, I believe, and now they are on sale for $5 and $2.50 a bouquet. But then again, I don't really know that the grocery store is the place that people are looking for dried flowers, but the dried flower trend could be on its way out. That being said, I still have a lot of empty spaces in this patch, so I'm going to fill it with more seedlings, and I'll maybe even just toss out some seeds just to see what happens. And, if nothing else, I'm growing them for myself, even if I don't end up making any kind of profit off of them. Of course, a profit would be nice, but if I don't make anything off of them, I can still use these flowers for my own arts and crafts or just display them around my home.